About Revonergy, Incorporated. Revonergy is an enterprising company comprising of individuals that have proven entrepreneurial talent, financial skills and technical know-how. The company seeks to develop or acquire businesses or assets which it considers attractive to the investment community. Management has been involved as principals as well as directors in a broad array of businesses in many countries, and has an ability to find good projects, evaluate them, and find investors and financiers who would be willing to either invest or otherwise support the company's management financially. One of two general areas of focus for the company, at this time, is to develop a mineral prospect in Chile that appears to have the potential to become a large-scale bulk gold, copper and cobalt mine. It will seek to expand its inventory of like assets in the future. The second area of focus for the company is to acquire existing renewable energy facilities in developed nations. The company has identified acquisition targets in the United States that have income yields on investment greater than the company's anticipated cost of capital. As these projects mature and become viable as independent businesses, the company will consider spinning off groups of like assets. Management believes that its locations, contacts, relationships and experience are well suited to support the company's mission and business model. Management believes it can secure a high-quality deal flow and arrange the capital necessary to progress. To date. To date, the company has secured a highly attractive mineral project in Chile, as well as identify a number of potential renewable energy acquisitions. It has entered into agreements respecting financial advisory and investment with a number of companies. Further, it has entered into agreements with world-class companies, respecting dealings and prospective renewable energy credits. In March 2011, Revonergy acquired a 50% earn-in right from Red Metal Resources, stock symbol RMES, for the Perth property and signed a joint venture earn-in agreement on the new project. The Perth property is 2,283 hectares, approximately 5,641 acres, consisting of 6 mining claims totaling 918 hectares, approximately 2,268 acres and 6 exploration claims, totaling 1,365 hectares, approximately 3,373 acres. The terms of joint venture earn-in agreement with Red Metal Resources Limited is to sell up to 50% ownership of the Perth property to Revonergy Incorporated, in exchange for the completion of exploration programs costing at least $1.415 million, and a preliminary feasibility study. The Perth property is adjacent to the west side of the historic Carrizal Alto mine and lies approximately 3.5 kilometers north of Red Metal's Farallon project. It is a 45-minute drive from Valliner City, with major road access, power and water supply close by. The project lies on a similar geologic contact as the Farallon and Carrizal Alto properties. Perth property highlights. The Perth property overlays the contact between Paleozoic, metamorphic, sediments, and a Cretaceous, tonalitic, batholith. A swarm of north-northeast trending fault-related copper-gold-bearing quartz veins cross-cuts the property. Surface mapping and sampling records show 12 veins identified so far on the south end of the property. The veins average 2 meters wide but have been measured up to 6 meters wide. Numerous artisanal mine workings on the property have previously been exploited for both copper and gold. Exploration work so far includes property-scale geological mapping and surface sampling completed in 2007 and 2008. Significant channel sampling results are pictured here or read on the Revonergy website. Perth property potential. The Perth property geology closely resembles Red Metal's Farallon project, and in management's opinion, has the potential to host a large-scale, bulk mineable gold deposit. To download Perth property geological map, click the link at www.revonergy.com. On the Perth link page, the link is located on the upper menu tab. Investor Relations. Revonergy Incorporated became active in the spring of 2010. since that time it has devoted most of its efforts to developing its business and securing a financial platform to move forward. Revonergy now believes it is appropriate to make a greater effort in reaching out to more prospective investors, and as such is commencing programs designed to send its message to a much larger population. If you would like to receive regular updates about Revonergy Inc., then please subscribe to the Revonergy mailing list. Investor Communications, contact Jason Knox, telephone 44-207-993-5700, ir@revonergy.com. Corporate structure: Revonergy Incorporated is a publicly traded company, listed on the OTC Bulletin Board, under the symbol RNRG. Transfer agent: Empire Stock Transfer Incorporated, 1859, Whitney Mesa Drive, Henderson, Nevada, 89014. Corporate contact information: Revonergy Incorporated, Landmark House, 17 Hanover Square, London, W1S, 1HU, United Kingdom. Telephone 44-2079-935-700, fax 44-2079-006-747. Email info@revonergy.com.